Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Cardano using US dollars, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase ADA directly with your local currency. Step 1. Select a cryptocurrency exchange that offers ADA/USD trading pairs, such as Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance US. Create an account and complete identity verification. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section and choose USD as your funding currency. Link your bank account or add a debit card for deposits. Step 3. Deposit funds into your exchange account using your preferred method. Bank transfers take 1 to 5 business days but have lower fees, while card deposits are instant with higher fees. Step 4. Once your USD funds are available, go to the trading or market section. Search for the ADA/USD trading pair to buy Cardano directly with dollars. Step 5. Choose between a market order for instant purchase at current price or a limit order to specify your desired purchase price and wait for the market to reach it. Step 6. Enter the amount of ADA you want to buy or the USD amount you want to spend. Review the order details including fees and the total ADA you'll receive. Step 7. Confirm and execute the trade. Your Cardano will appear in your exchange wallet. Consider transferring to a hardware wallet for long-term secure storage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.